Okay, so when it's time to make more complex prototypes, what are we going to want to do? Join pieces of foam core together. And we're going to go over how to do that with hot glue. Now, hot glue is great because it's really easy to apply, and it's also dries fast and it holds firmly. So that's the technique we're going to be going over. So when you're ready to join your pieces of foam core together, it's good to check the alignment between them with painter's tape. So painter's tape is a low-tack tape that doesn't leave residue and removes easily. And it's a good idea to check the alignment because you want to make sure your parts fit together nicely before you permanently bond them with the hot glue, potentially ruining all those pieces you put the hard work into making. All right. So you'll notice that my cutting boards are gone. I didn't want to get any glue on them, so I moved them aside. And what I've replaced them with is actually a piece of black foam core. So foam core doesn't only come in white, it comes in black as well. And I just have that down so it's easier to see the white foam core in the video. So as an example, what we're going to do is take this lap joint that we made with the rabbit cutter in the earlier video. And so we've got this piece of foam core that kind of has this little flap on the end, and then another that just has a standard edge. And what we're going to do is put them together. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun, which is already warmed up and ready to go. And what we're going to do is just place some glue right down that edge with the flap. And now remember, we're trying to work quickly, not have too many globs of glue. And we're going to go ahead and put those together while the glue's nice and wet. And then hold it there for a few seconds while the glue dries. Okay. And then, when everything's all dried up, you've got a nice, super clean edge with a sharp corner. Get a little piece of glue out of there. With a nice sharp corner.